One more important news from the Karnataka State Law University. Here, with regard to the examination, the Karnataka Law University has given a notification in its number KSLU exam 2020-21 bar 450 dated 23/10/2020. That means today itself the KSLU has released a notification with regard to the conducting the examination for the 6th semester 3 years LLB course and 10th semester 5 years LLB course. Here it is a very important notification for the final year students of 3 years and 5 years in order to facilitate them to complete their the course as well as the subjects and facilitate them to get passed and to get into their profession. That is a very good gesture from the Karnataka State Law University. Here, as per this notification, the university has notified that the 6th semester 3 years LLB students and the 10th semester 5 years LLB students, they can take the examination as scheduled on which will commence from the 23rd/11/2020. And one more the aspect with regard to these students, they can take the backlog subjects also. That means they can finish off the backlog subjects also. So this is with regard to the 3 years LLB students. And with regard to 3 years LLB students, so the year of the commencement of their the degree, what you call the degree, the academic year, which will commence from the students who has enrolled from 2013 onwards. That means 2013-14 academic year. From that academic year up to 2017-18, the students are eligible to take the 3 years LLB examination. That means from which year? From 2013-14 to 2013-14 academic year to up to 2017-18, the students of 3 years LLB, they can take up the backlog as well as the regular subjects. So the exams will be conducted for the 6th semester students who were joined to the law courses from 2013-14 academic year up to 2017-18. That means I am repeating this one. So even though they have completed the course, certain students they have not they completed the degree. So for the benefit of those students, I am repeatedly saying that means those who are enrolled in the year 2013-14 up to 2017-18, they can write the examination. And shortly, one more very good news are going to come, that the students they have completed the vertical course as well as they have completed the vertical attempts also. For them also, there is one more good news is going to come from the university. That means those who are lost their the course and attempts, one more attempt will be given to those students who have been disqualified from taking the examination. That means here they can also take the examination. That notification still has not come, but I am particular only with regard to the students of 6th semester of the 3 years LLB and 10th semester 5 years LLB students, that they can take the regular subjects as well as the backlog subjects. Okay, with regard to the 5 years LLB students, those who have enrolled in the academic year 2010-11 and up to 2015-16, they can take up the examination, which is the regular as well as the backlog. So this is with regard to the 5 years LLB course students. So that means with regard to the 5 years LLB, they can take up those who enrolled 2010 academic year 2010-11 up to 2015-16, they can take up the backlog examination, and shortly they are going to release the timetable for these students. That means those students who are studying, who are in the 6th semester of the 3 years LLB, 10th semester of the 5 years LLB students. That means shortly the timetable are going to be released. So you make a preparation for the examination. And one more relief has been given to the students of the 3 years LLB who are in 2nd semester, 4th semester students. That is the intermediate students, those who are those who are in 2nd and 4th semester students of the 3 years LLB, and the 2nd, 4th, 6th, 8th semesters of the 5 years LLB students, those who are regular as well as the backlog. For them, the examination has been postponed. That means you should not confuse with regard to these things. Now, only one notification has been given, that is for the 6 semesters of the 3 years LLB, 10 semesters of the 5 years LLB, the students. For them, the examination is going to be conducted and the backlog subjects will be conducted. Now the among these the students, what you call now, the university is not going to conduct with regard to the examination. That means for the short duration, 2nd semester and 4th semester of the 3 years LLB intermediate, it has been postponed. Likewise, 2nd, 4th, 6th, 8th semester students of the 5 years LLB, for them also the examination has been postponed. For them also shortly the examination date will be announced. So you have to take this into in your mind. And for the recent updates from the university, please subscribe to our channel so that we can able to give the information which has been given by the university from time to time. And our channel is going to release some most likely questions from the examination point of view. Please make use of this, the venture of our channel. Thank you.